Hello, today I'm going to show you how I fixed this base cabinet right here. The bottom has always been damaged. So this is the kitchen cabinet, you know, but brand new is 180 bucks. And I bought the base, I bought the board to cut it, so it's $50. So it should cost me a total of $50 instead of 180. A lot of people probably go comment and say, why don't you just buy a new one? It's just 180. But maybe the difference between you and I buying new one is that I own over 2 dozen homes. Okay, and this is the reason I'm gonna repair it. And here it is. I'm gonna show you what we gonna do. This is gonna be repainted anyway. Even if I buy a new one, I'm gonna have to paint it anyway. But as you can see, the bottom is all completely rotten. So we gonna cut that off. Okay, cut that off, and the back is actually messed up also. So I'm gonna replace the backboard. And remember, you can put the board right here. You can put the base right here through this way, and you can remove this. A lot of people don't realize it. This can be removed. There's 2 screws right here, 2 screws up here, and 1 screw on the side, the left side, 1 screw on the right side. You can remove this off, and then you put it the whole thing in. Okay, this is from that distance to that distance, 58.5 inches. And from here to here, it's 22.5 inches. Okay. So let's remove this. I'm going to use a sawzall, or you can use a circular saw to cut it and remove it. This supporter right here, we don't even need to cut it. Okay, we don't need to replace that one. Basically, all you need is the front panel to rebuild this. But we go rebuild this with this base also. Okay. We go replace this part also, the back. We all need to replace this. This is the base of the backboard. It's rotten, so it's damaged. So we go replace that one also. Like I said, it cost me for 1 sheet of plywood is 50 bucks. So that's how much it's going to cost us to do this. Okay, we're going to use these to support the bottom base. Okay. Any wood be fine, you know, to support it. Back before, they don't really have any support. As you can see, I'm going to the back. Then we go slide it up. That's the base. Put in this slot for now. See the base? Okay. I use the same material for the back to support the back. As you can see, before they use this, okay, particle board. When your water hits it, it damages it. So make the cabinet as cheap as they can, okay? These are more expensive. And if you custom made it, these are cabinet material right here. That's why I say one plywood is 50 bucks already. So we're gonna make it solid, okay? Put this in the back where you remove that. You support it. So now we want to put these support on. Let me jump in a little. You want to put one on that side, one on that side, one in the front here. Okay. Front, actually, you don't need it. The front, you don't need it because we still good. So we need one in the back, one in the front. One in the back and two in the side. As you can see, that's what I'm talking about. Putting a support. See, you got two on the side. You got one on this side. Then you got one in the back, right here. And then you got one on this side. Don't worry about the front. The front, you got this support. There's no support going in the middle from the beginning. Okay. When you get the bought the cabinet, as you can see, that's why I slide it to the back so I can get this bottom piece in here. Okay. Because so else, see, I'm stuck with this drawer, can't get it in, which I still gotta remove this drawer, the slider here, in order to put it in. So it's more work. So that was plain and simple. Now I'm going to put this up. Pick it up. using a rubber mallet. Okay, that's it. Now all you need to do, staple it in. All you need to do is nail it in. I got a 16 gauge nailer. Now you see how nice it looks now? So you don't have to spend $180, just $50. Okay? If your cabinets, everything's okay, beside the base. Okay? Let me show you how. See this? That's how the base of your cabinet looks now. Now all you need to do is drill a hole for your drain. You cannot spend $200 for a base that's that nice of a cabinet. Take it from an investor that owned over 24 houses that's completely paid off in cash, no mortgage, no nothing. This is how we do it. This is how we grow. Okay, that we do our own things. Instead of paying $200 for a new cabinet that is not messed up, we just spend $50 to redo it. Okay, that take me less than I won't say less than but that's how you do it. If you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you.